You can tell I'm still new at this. I just recorded this entire intro and everything without sound. So I think the microphone is on now. Hello, boys, men, and sirs. My name is Austin, and today we're gonna be testing a charcoal bubble face mask. Why? Because women's expectations of men are changing. Also, just looking good and taking good care of yourself feels good. It builds confidence, y'all. So let's just do it and stop being duds. Alright, so today's stud lineup, we have the black charcoal bubble sheet mask, detoxify, oxygenate, and radiance. I want all those things. I've worked with charcoal before and had okay experience, so yeah. I got this from my local Walgreens, I think. Sorry, I got this from Walgreens, so ask your mom to, or your more confident friend. Yeah, so the directions say, before use, rub the pouch in a circular motion to prevent the essence from sinking to the bottom. After thoroughly cleansing skin, haven't done that, and toning, not going to be doing any toning. I don't even know what toning is. Apply onto face, carefully aligning holes for eyes and mouth. Allow bubbles to form for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then remove mask. Gently massage remaining bubbles into skin, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow with regular skincare. Cool. Well, I haven't showered in probably 2 days. You nasty beast! I'm gonna go ahead and shower, and I'm gonna go ahead and shave as well because I want the mask being right onto my face and clearing out and detoxing and oxygenating and radiating all my pores. And I have a sense that if my facial hair is like acting as a pad, the mask and the little bubbles and whatever are not gonna fully get in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower and I'll be right back. So I am all smoothie smooth. I think I cut myself shaving once here, but I don't know. I think shaving in the shower is really just the most efficient way of shaving because you're showering and then you just go ahead and shave off your beard while you're at it. And then all the shaving cream and stuff just comes off in the shower, and it just seems like it's a lot less work. So that's why I shave in the shower. Okay, so I'm rubbing this packet in a circular motion. Oh, and this brand is called SeeAE. I don't know exactly how long I'm supposed to be doing this, but that ought to be good. The moment of truth. I don't even know what. Oh. Okay, so there's already bubbles coming out of this. Oh dear, okay. Oh, this feels really gross. Smells nice and natural. Okay. Oh, okay. I think these are the holes. Should I be breathing? Oh no, I hope I'm not breathing in. Okay, I'm gonna go check the mirror. Oh dear. The mouth hole is really big. Holy Moses. Okay. Have a towel on. Sorry, the bubbles are tingly, so that was a little bit of a surprise for a second. Okay, so let me check in on this again. So it is, I will check back in, turn on the camera again in about 15 minutes, I guess. I hope this is worth it. I mean, I had really bad skin in high school, and I was like, oh, thank you. I'm already struggling with wondering how noticeable my face is, so having my doctor tell me that I need to see a dermatologist is really helping me out. I feel like the bubbles are closing in on my eyes. Oh, the story is, I've had a really crappy face for many years. I did, and it was just bad. I felt really bad. Sorry, that was maybe gross. Okay, the bubbles do not taste right, so don't eat the bubbles. Oh, also, I take fish oil now, which has been helping me with my face. If you're having issues with acne, start taking fish oil pills. Oh yeah, this is good. You're gonna have to trust me that it's been 20 minutes. Hey buddy! Gently massage remaining bubbles into skin, then rinse off thoroughly. Alright, I'm massaging those bubbles in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the bubbles off this guy. Sorry friend, I don't know what this is doing, but I think it's doing good things. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lukewarm water and rinse off. Okay, so I have washed off my face with lukewarm water. I don't know, do I seem more glowy, more detoxed, more oxygenated? My first impression of the charcoal mask is unimpressed, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it the next couple of days. I'll maybe check in with you guys and let you know. Okay, hello guys. We are 4 days after the charcoal bubble mask, whatever. I have notes for you. So, at the first day after I did the mask, my face actually felt and looked really good. It had this kind of more glowy-ish look about it. I can't really describe it besides it just looked like I had healthy skin. And as we remember, it was the day right after I had shaved, and usually, you know, like my neck gets really like bumpy, I guess because I haven't invested yet in some good aftershave, and I didn't have any of that the day after. So I thought to myself, oh, this is the answer to all my problem. But I spoke too soon. The day after that, I did get the bumps all on my neck. I guess I can maybe insert a picture here. Unfortunately, the bumps were not completely eradicated. Yeah. So, overall, I guess good. Would I recommend going out and doing it, guys? Not really. I didn't see anything that was amazing enough to highly recommend that it's a product that you need to add to your stud lineup, because honestly, as I said, there wasn't these long-term, really amazing benefits. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to stay updated on different hygiene and fashion and just all around good male energy advice and all that jazz, and like this video and share it and all of that. Tune in next time when we'll test or try something else out for the sake of our confidence and looking like studs. Stay stud.